In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up n8n on Hostinger VPS and use it to automate various tasks efficiently. Let's dive in and get started with this powerful automation tool, which will soon become a vital component of your digital toolkit. First things first, we'll tackle setting up n8n on your Hostinger VPS. To start, access your Hostinger account and navigate to your VPS dashboard. Once there, you'll want to log into your server via SSH. This step is vital as it allows us to install n8n. After logging in, make sure your server is up to date by running updates. This ensures that all system packages are current, paving the way for a smooth installation process. With your server ready, proceed by installing Node.js, a required package for n8n. If all goes well, verify the installation by checking the Node.js version. Now, use a package manager like npm to install n8n globally on your server. This will make n8n accessible from anywhere within the system, allowing you to set up workflows with ease. Once n8n is successfully installed, let's move on to creating API workflows within it. Open n8n in your browser by accessing the server IP followed by the correct port number. You should see the n8n interface, a canvas that welcomes all your automation dreams. Use the user-friendly interface to create workflows by simply dragging and dropping nodes, which represent the tasks or steps of your workflow. You can connect these nodes to form a logical sequence, mimicking a flowchart. Add trigger nodes to initiate your workflows based on certain events or start them manually. Utilize API nodes to connect with services you wish to interact with, such as sending data to a remote server or fetching information from an online resource. Each node can be extensively configured to suit your specific needs, facilitating the creation of powerful connections between disparate services. Moving forward, n8n is fantastic for automating tasks like email sending or data syncing. Set up email nodes within your workflows to automate message dispatching, which is particularly useful for businesses needing to send regular updates or newsletters. Similarly, data syncing can be automated by connecting to your databases or cloud sources and setting up a regular sync process. This could include backing up files, updating databases, or ensuring consistency across platforms. The possibilities are nearly limitless, allowing you to focus on what's important, growing your business or reaching your personal goals. To ensure your tasks run without manual intervention, schedule your workflows to run automatically. Within n8n, employ the cron node feature to schedule workflows to execute at your specified times, whether that's daily, weekly, or whenever necessary. This automation reduces the likelihood of human error and ensures tasks are performed consistently. Finally, monitor all your automation through the n8n dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, providing a comprehensive overview of your workflows in action. Observe each workflow status, rerun failed ones, or adjust settings for optimal performance. This visual overview ensures you always have control and visibility over your automated processes, allowing you to make informed decisions. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up n8n on a Hostinger VPS. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to streamlining tasks, increasing efficiency, and empowering your digital processes through the magic of automation.